Hello, my name is Natalia Pareja. This is the course English Phonetic. The sound of the following consonant is the activity task 5. The consonant M, R, S. Okay. The sound M. This consonant sounds almost as it is writing /m/. The consonant sound M. IPA symbols /m/ is produced by lightly pressing the lips together while making the sound with the vocal cords. Examples: mom, come, time. If we realize it is a consonant whose sound is not very difficult. M. The sound R. The consonant R sounds almost the same as in the Spanish language. The letter R in English is pronounced when it is in front of a vowel. The sound is soft and is achieved by throwing the tongue behind, leaving in the lower part of the palate. Example: red, try, really. The sound R. The sound S. The letter S, whose phonetic transcription is /s/, sound like S in Spanish when it stands alone. If it is part of a word, it will sound like the S for suela or sweet, that's in Spanish. The tongue stays more or less directly behind the teeth. For example, sail, pass, send. The sound S. Thank you very much. Good night.